Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy V-Bucks from the game's official website. So first of all, you'll have to open your browser and type in Epic Games. So you'll see this store.epicgames.com. So we'll go to this site and here we'll have to log in. So as you can see, I've already logged in. In this search field that you can see here, we'll type in V-Bucks and press enter, and it will give us some result. As you can see here, there is a V-Buck here, 2800 V-Bucks. If you scroll down, there is 5000, 13,000 and 1000. So all you have to do is you'll have to choose one. So let's go with this one. So when you click on it, it will take you to this page where you will be able to add to cart, add to wish list, or buy now. So as you can see, let's go with buy now. Press on that and it will take you to this payment confirmation window. As you can see here, you can choose this payment method to pay: credit card, PayPal, banking, e-banking and banking. Also you can use Epic Rewards as well. So simply choose any of this, click this agreement and privacy policy, and then simply place your order and you will be able to buy V-Bucks. So this is how you do it. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.